Most robot vacuums can vacuum your floors. Some can mop. But very few can intelligently avoid obstacles, clean under-low furniture, wash and dry their own mops, and require almost no maintenance. That's where the Roborock Saros 10R stands out. But is it the right choice for your home? Let's find out. And hey, if you're new here, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next deep dive. The Roborock Saros 10R is Roborock's flagship robot vacuum, combining powerful suction, intelligent navigation, advanced mopping, and a fully automated docking system into one premium cleaning solution. One of its biggest highlights is the 3.14-inch ultra-slim design. Powered by the StarSight Autonomous System 2.0, it eliminates the traditional LiDAR tower, allowing the robot to clean under beds, sofas, cabinets, and other low-clearance furniture while maintaining highly accurate navigation and mapping. Cleaning performance is equally impressive. The 22,000 pascals HyperForce suction easily removes dust, dirt, pet hair, and debris from hardwood floors, tile, and carpet. The Zero-Tangling DuoDivide main brush, FlexiArm riser side brush, and anti-tangle wheels significantly reduce hair wrapping, making it an excellent choice for homes with pet. For mopping, the FlexiArm riser mop automatically extends to clean corners and edges more effectively. When heavily soiled areas are detected, the robot automatically performs auto-rewash and auto-remop for deeper cleaning. It also supports auto-mop detaching, allowing the robot to leave the mop pads at the dock during vacuum-only cleaning, helping keep carpets dry. Navigation is powered by StarSight Autonomous System 2.0 with advanced 3D obstacle detection. It intelligently recognizes and avoids up to 108 different obstacle types, including cables, shoes, toys, furniture legs, and other common household objects for smoother, more reliable cleaning. Another standout feature is the AdaptiLift chassis. It automatically raises itself to cross obstacles up to 4 centimeters high, while the dual spinning mops automatically lift when carpets are detected to prevent wetting carpeted surfaces. The Multifunctional Dock 4.0 delivers a nearly hands-free cleaning experience. It automatically empties the dustbin for up to 60 days, washes the mop pads with 176-degree hot water, dries them using 131-degree hot air, automatically refills the water tank, dispenses detergent, cleans the dock itself, and fully recharges the robot in approximately 2.5 hours. Smart features are equally impressive. The Saros 10R supports the Roborock app, Amazon Alexa, Google Home, Apple Siri, and the built-in Hello Rocky voice assistant. You can schedule cleanings, customize maps, adjust cleaning modes, monitor cleaning progress, and even use the built-in RGB camera for two-way video calls and pet monitoring. Battery performance is excellent, providing up to 180 minutes of runtime, making it suitable for medium and large homes. The Roborock Saros 10R has received strong reviews from respected robot vacuum reviewers, including Vacuum Wars, earning praise for its excellent cleaning performance, intelligent navigation, and highly automated dock system. It continues to be regarded as one of the top flagship robot vacuums on the market. Of course, no robot vacuum is perfect. Its premium price may not fit every budget, and some advanced smart features require the Roborock app to unlock their full functionality. Overall, the Roborock Saros 10R combines exceptional suction power, intelligent navigation, advanced mopping, zero-tangling technology, and one of the most capable self-maintaining docking systems currently available. Whether you have pets, carpets, hardwood floors, or simply want a premium hands-free cleaning experience, it delivers excellent performance across the board. If you're looking for a flagship robot vacuum that offers powerful cleaning, smart automation, and minimal maintenance, the Roborock Saros 10R is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more robot vacuum reviews, buying guides, and comparison videos.